Keep in mind that coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaw cutting ferrous and non-ferrous metals. C-5200 enhances tool life and machine maintenance, making it an ideal choice. The C-5200 is a synthetic coolant and should be mixed at a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. It helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction and heat, keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance, so the C-5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. The C-5200 has excellent sump life and corrosion protection. It is resistant to mold and bacteria, and it has been preferred by machine operators for years because of its work clean nature.